and let's open it up. But here it is, the beautiful packaging of Apple. Great looking laptop, great looking design, beautiful. Oh, that was epic. It feels amazing. Let's open it up. And it's just a smooth pulling experience with suspension. Oh, the most important part of this video. Oh man, look at this. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Oh, space gray. Amazing. Look at the thinness of this. Let's peel this beauty off. Look at that screen. You can't even hardly tell the notches there sometimes. Truly epic, beautiful display, bro. This isn't a review, but overall I would recommend getting one just off of this.